Hi students, this is A. Mandari Kumar Rajesh. In this video, we are going to discuss an important topic called genome editing and CRISPR-Cas9. Let me tell you the genome editing process. Genome editing is otherwise called as gene editing. Gene editing is a group of technology. With the help of the technology, we are able to make changes in an organism's DNA. Gene editing is a group of technologies. By using the technologies, we are able to make changes in an organism's DNA. Then these approaches are allowed the genetic material to added or to removed or altered from a particular location of a genome. So these gene editing technologies are allowed the genetic material to add or remove or alter at a particular location of a genome. Several approaches have been developed in gene editing technology. Among that, CRISPR-Cas9 is an important system because it is very faster, cheaper, more effective, more accurate. So CRISPR-Cas9 system is very important because it is very faster, cheaper, more efficient and more accurate when compared to other existing genome editing systems. Then CRISPR means, it is an acronym. CRISPR means clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. So CRISPR means clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. Actually, it is an RNA. It is a single-stranded RNA. Then Cas9 is an associated protein. Cas9 is an associated protein or an enzyme. Associated protein or an enzyme, especially nuclease, because this enzyme can make a cut on the DNA. So that enzyme may be a nuclease. So this enzyme can cut the nucleotide. It can break down the nucleotides. So simply it is called as DNA. So CRISPR means an RNA. Cas9 means a protein or enzyme, especially a nuclease. So CRISPR-Cas9 means RNA mediated nuclease. RNA mediated nuclease. Actually, CRISPR-Cas9 was adapted from naturally occurring genome editing system in bacteria. That means these CRISPR sequences are important components of the immune system of simpler forms of life. That means especially microorganisms. So this CRISPR sequences are important components of the immune system of the microorganism. So this immune system is responsible for protecting organism health. For example, a bacterial cell is invaded by a virus, so it is a small infecting agent. It can kill the bacteria. So it threatens the bacteria. At that time, this CRISPR sequence, that immune system responds to that responds to that viral infection. So this CRISPR-Cas sequence destroys the viral genome. So viral genome includes the genetic material, the viral DNA. which is needed for the replication of that viral DNA. So if the CRISPR-Cas9 destroys the viral genome, the virus are not able to replicate and they are not able to multiply inside the host cell. Thus, by destroying the viral genome with the help of the CRISPR-Cas sequence, the bacteria are protected from the viral infection. So it is a naturally occurring genome editing system which is found in a bacteria. Now we are exploiting that technique or the genome editing system which is present in the bacteria. Then I am going to tell you the steps which are involved in the CRISPR-Cas sequence production and how it affects the invader. So I am going to tell you the steps which are involved in the production of CRISPR-Cas sequence. Let me tell you the steps which are involved in the production of CRISPR sequence. First, virus invades the bacterial cell. So this is a bacteriophage invades into the bacterial cell and it injects the viral DNA. The step 1, adaptation. DNA from an invading virus is processed into short segments that are inserted into the CRISPR sequence as new spacers. So this is the viral DNA and this segment is called as spacer. Spacers are nothing but a segment of viral DNA. So this is the spacer which is integrated with the CRISPR sequence. So this is the CRISPR sequence and this is the spacer which is come from the viral DNA. Then step 2, production of CRISPR RNA. CRISPR repeats and spacers in the bacterial DNA undergoes a process transcription. The process of copying DNA to RNA. So the bacterial DNA which contains the viral DNA undergoes a process called transcription, results in the production of RNA. Unlike the double chain helix structure of DNA, the resulting RNA is a single chain molecule. Actually, the bacterial DNA is double helix, while in the case of the RNA, they are single chain molecule. Then this RNA chain is cut into short pieces called CRISPR RNAs. CRISPR RNAs or CRISPR arrays. The final step, targeting. So this is the second step. New spacer is derived from virus and integrated into CRISPR. Then the third step, targeting. CRISPR RNAs guide to bacterial molecular machinery to destroy the viral material. CRISPR RNAs guide bacterial molecular machineries to destroy the viral material because the CRISPR RNA sequences are copied from the viral DNA sequences acquired during adaptation. So, with the help of the CRISPR RNA sequences are copied from the viral DNA sequences, they can attack the virus. If that virus again attack the bacteria, it contains the CRISPR sequence copied from the viral DNA. With the help of the CRISPR RNA sequence, it can kill the virus. So this is how the bacteria which kills the virus, which stops the replication of virus. Then I am going to tell you how this genome editing system is exploited in industries and medical field. Let me give you some of the uses of genome editing system. Genome editing system is of great interest in prevention and treatment of human diseases. Researchers are still working to determine whether this approach is safe and effective. So it is being explored in a research on a wide variety of diseases, which includes diseases like cystic fibrosis, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia diseases, and these diseases are comes under single gene disorders. Then cancer, heart diseases, mental illness, and HIV are comes under complex diseases. So researches is going on to treat this kinds of diseases. Then by using the gene editing system CRISPR-Cas9, the scientists like Thias Kant and Venkatesh Sundaresan make a hybrid rice plant. Their studies clearly shows one can re-engineer rice to switch it from a sexual to an asexual mode by using gene editing tool CRISPR-Cas9. So these are all some of the uses of genome editing system. So that's all about today's video. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.